Good afternoon, children. Welcome back for the session. This is your second session. So, are you ready? Yes? Okay, let's begin. Let's see today's subject, maths, and the topic is subtraction within 10. Now, children, this is the third video for this lesson. Previously, I have sent you 2 videos. Right, children? Yes? Okay. Let's begin with the session. Okay. So, children, first I will take a short recap what we have done in our previous session. Okay? Then we'll start with the new subtopic in this lesson. Clear? Now, first let me remind you about the meaning of subtraction. Subtraction is to take one number, object away from another and make new total. You remember, children? Yes? See, 5 apples are there. From this, 2 apples I have removed or taken away. Yes? So, how many apples are left? 3 apples are left. Right? So, this is how you are going to do your subtraction sums. See this question. Taking one number away from another. If we have 5 apples and then subtract 2, we are left with 3. The symbol of subtraction is dash, slipping line. Yes? Can you see, children? Example, 5 minus 2 equals to 3. So, the same sums I have explained you before also, that by using pictures, how you can subtract. Yes? Do you remember, children? Okay, next. Let's recap, continue. Subtraction by counting backward. Now, do you remember this, children? Backward counting? Yes? For this, you have to use the concept of counting backward. That is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have to count backward. One sums I have given here. 4 minus 2 equals to 2. First number, that is 4. Can you see? It is already circled with red color in the number line. Yes? Minus 2. And then you have to jump 2 steps backward. That is from 4 to 3, from 3 to 2. Yes? So what is your answer? 2 will be your answer. So this is the use of backward counting. You have to jump or skip the number and go backward to get the answer. This was one method which I have explained you. How to do the subtraction using counting backward method. Yes? Next. Let's recap, continue. Subtraction with fingers. Now, do you remember that using fingers also you can do the subtraction sums? Yes? How many fingers? This one is 4. From this 4 finger, if you subtract 3 fingers, so how many fingers are left? Yes? Correct. 1 finger. Yes? So that means you can use your fingers also to do the subtraction. You have to take one number by using the fingers. Second number, you have to cut it. And then the remaining one will be your answer. Clear? So this was the second method for doing subtraction. Let's recap, continue. Subtraction. So children, this we have done in our previous session also. This was the first form of doing subtraction using pictures. Do you remember, children? Yes, I have explained you this example in our previous session, that you will get some number of pictures. From that you have to cut some number of pictures and the remaining pictures will be your answer. Right? So this was one form of doing subtraction. Now today you are going to learn the second form of doing subtraction. Okay? So are you ready, children? Let's begin. Great. Let's recap. Subtracting using number bonds. Now children, this is the second way of doing subtraction sums. Right, children? Do you remember number bonds? Yes? See the example. There are 5 flowers. Kate takes away 2 flowers. Here the picture of 5 flowers. From this 5 flowers, 2 taken away. 2 flowers taken away. Okay? See the number bond. First circle you have to write 5. Second circle you have to write 2. And in the third circle your answer will come. Right? So you have to subtract 2 from 5. Right? So open your 5 fingers, children. Can you do that? Open your 5 fingers. From this 5 fingers, you have to cut 2 fingers. Can you do that? Close 2 fingers. So how many fingers are open now? Yes? Correct. 3 fingers are opened. Right? See this number bonds? 5 flowers. From 5 flowers, 2 flowers are taken away. So how many flowers are remaining now? 3. Okay? Now see this in number bonds form. First circle 5 minus second circle 2, and the answer you are going to write in third circle, that is 3. Clear? So this was the example for number bonds. This was the recap. Now we'll start with the new topic of this lesson. Clear? Lesson explanation, subtraction stories. Now today I am going to explain you about word problem. Okay? You will get a question. You have to read that question and then do the subtraction sums. Clear? See the question. I have 8 basketballs. I give away 3 basketballs. How many basketballs are left? Now what is the question? You have 8 basketballs. Okay? From that 8 basketballs, 3 you gave away. So how many basketballs are left with you now? So you have to do the subtraction sums. Now first I will show you 8 basketballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. This is your sums. 8 minus 3. That means from this 8 basketballs, you have to cut 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. So, children, how many basketballs are left with you now? Yes, correct. 5 basketballs are left with you. So, this is your sentence. I have 5 basketballs left. Okay? Lesson explanation. Subtraction stories. Now here I am going to show you more example for word problem, and that will solve orally. Okay, children? See this worksheet? Okay, we'll solve this now. See the first question. Mary has 6 cherries. She eats 2 of them. How many cherries are left? Now what is the total number of cherries? 6. So open your 6 fingers, children. Now from that 6 cherries, you have to take away 2. So close your 2 fingers. So how many cherries are left? How many fingers are left? Yes, 4. So here in the first box, you are going to write what? You are going to write 6. Okay? 6. In the second box, what you are going to write? 2. And what will be the answer? 4. Okay? So this was your first sums. Now see the second one, children. There are 8 orange slices in a plate. Pam eats 3 of them. How many orange slices are there in the plate now? Now children, open your 8 fingers because there are 8 orange slices. So open your 8 fingers. Pam eats 3 of them. How many Pam ate? 3. So close your 3 fingers now. From your 8 fingers, you have to close 3 fingers. So how many fingers are left, children? Yes? 5 fingers are left, right? So in the first box, you are going to write 8. In the second box, you are going to write 3. And what is the answer? Answer is 5. Okay? Now see the third one. Tina has 5 candies. She gave 4 of them to Rosie. How many candies are left with Tina? Now, what is the total number of candies Tina have? 5. So open your 5 fingers. She gave 4 of them to Rosie. How many candies she gave to Rosie? 4. So close your 4 fingers. Okay. Now, how many candies are left with Tina after giving 4 candies to Rosie? Yes, 1. So in the first box, you are going to write 5. Okay. In the second box, you are going to write 4. And in the third box, what will be the answer? 1. Okay, children? So this is how you have to solve word problem. You have to read the question. You have to write the number in the box properly. Which number will come first? Which number will come second? You have to use your fingers, or you can see the pictures also and solve the sums. Okay, and then you have to write the answer in the third box. So this is how you have to solve your word problem. Okay, children, clear with you? Yes, great. So children, this was the end of this lesson. So now you all know how to do subtraction sums. Right, children? I have taught you two ways of doing subtraction sums, by using counting backward way, and the second one is by using fingers. Right? And there are three forms, okay, of this sums. The first one was by using pictures you can solve the sum. Second one was number bonds, and the last one was subtraction stories, that is word problem. So today I will send you worksheet for word problem. You have to solve it, practice it. Clear, children? Yes? So children, till then, bye, take care, and God bless you.